All right, I'm going to update my video on cleaning the pickup shoes. Got this truck today. This truck's had very little use on it, you can tell, but these are, aged after time. So overnight or for a couple hours, I'm going to soak this in some vinegar, and then we're going to finish it up with some Barkeeper's Friend, which works great on brass and other materials to get that tarnish off of there. All right, so I'm going to let this vinegar soak, and then we'll get back to finish it off with the Barkeeper's Friend and a soft bristle toothbrush and see what it looks like. All right, so these sat overnight, and let's see what we got now. Wow. So they're pretty much like new again. I don't even think that I need to use the Barkeeper's Friend on them because it completely pulled all that off overnight. Actually, I am going to take a soft toothbrush and some hot water. I sprinkled a little Barkeeper's Friend on this. There's a cuckoo clock in the background, and I'm going to just finish this off to get it a little bit more clean and see what happens. So this is the technique I use. I just put it on a flat surface and then clean one side with the toothbrush, and then I'm going to flip these around to this side and finish the other side. That way it doesn't bend them out of place. So as you see, it's lathered up really good. I'm just going to keep brushing that off, and I can already tell they're going to look brand new. This is definitely better than this previous method I was doing with the sandpaper. It's less intrusive. It just gets the stuff off the surface without any scratching to the brass. All right, so here's the finished product. As you can see, this is definitely the way to go. I'm going to have to update my video on the sanding because I'm going to start using this method. I mean, look at that. Looks brand new again. Nice and shiny. Just very little effort too. So I love it. If you found this helpful, make sure you give me a like. And also visit our website at TYCO US1 trucking.com. There's also a discussion forum on there as well.